Bunny Thumper. And then I just call him Handsome Man sometimes. Hi, sweet baby. What's he doing? What's he doing, Handsome Man? Come here, Handsome Man. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. What you doing, Fredo? Oh, Fredo. That's my dog, Bristol. I don't really think she's a big threat to the rabbits. Because, I mean, there's like a whole big bunch of rabbits out here in the backyard. And Bristol, she didn't do nothing. She was just standing on the fence. Come here, Handsome Man. Come here, Handsome Man. Come on, boy. Come here, Handsome Man. Come here. That over there used to be his cage, but there's a big thing of ants living in it. Ooh, I just saw a spider crawl over there. And this is my sister's bunny. Better move her on the grass. Oh, it's okay. We just took the bottom of the kennel of our dog off and just put her on the grass because when we had her with the kennel, it was super duper nasty in there, and we didn't want her to stay in there. Hi, this man. What's he doing? What's he doing? You playing with his ball? You want to play with your ball? I can't really get in there because of my dog. Breedo. Here. Come here. Okay. Breedo. Dig. And there's a bunch of holes around our yard. Breedo. Brito. Brito. Brito, no. Brito, no. No. Dig. And then here is like our stepbrother's bunny. Hello. Hello. Hello, Radar. Hello, Radar. And that ends it for the backyard tour. Dun dun dun. Brito, wait.